Hi everyone, as you can see this is Innova Type 2 2009 model. We just came to Autorounders for Type 4 modification. In this, along with exterior, we are going to modify the interior. As you can see the seat cover, the condition of the door pad. So stay tuned guys, we'll give you update. Thank you. Hi everyone, so as you can see this is Innova Type 2 2009 model. We just came to Autorounders for Type 4 modification. In this we have replaced front bonnet, show grille, both headlights which is with sequential DRL, front bumper, fog lamp, fog cover, the bonnet show putty, and from the side you can see both fenders, the fender lining, side door moulding, garnish putty. Along with this we have painted the alloys in glossy black, and we painted the caliper in body color. And we painted this whole car in company paint booth. You can see my reflection. So guys, when you paint the car in paint booth, so we can get the best result, good shine, good life. Along with this we have installed the LED tail lights. We replaced the bumper, dicky putty with reflector, and we painted the spoiler and rooftop in glossy black for the sporty look. Along with this we installed the seat cover which is in red and black theme, and along with this we have wrapped the dashboard in leather with red stitching. You can see the finishing, the fitting. So guys, if you're looking for such modification, you can call us on 7666 930 930 for Mumbai and 7666 830 830 for Hyderabad. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. This is Dhawal here from Autorounders. I am with Tidu. Tidu is born and raised in Pune, but originally from Toronto. So that DNA of modification exists in them. Go ahead, Tidu, tell us.
I had a good experience with Autorounders. Those who are having old Innovas, you can visit Autorounders as well to get upgraded versions.
And Tidu come with his friends. Come over guys, it's okay. Come with you. Yeah, Tidu come with folks.
These are my friends, and this is it, and Vishal.
You like the work all over?
Yeah, it's very awesome.
Thank you so much. Keep in touch, folks.